A new Search Only Inside Formulas checkbox has been added to the Find and Replace dialog in Origin 2026 to help you work specifically with cell formulas. For example, this project contains multiple workbooks with automobile data for each year. Cell formulas are set up to calculate the maximum values of columns such as power, 0 to 60 miles per hour, weight, and so on, along with the corresponding make. Press Ctrl and H to open the Find and Replace dialog. We'll use this dialog to replace the max function with the min function inside the formulas, so that we can find minimum values and their corresponding makes. By default, the search looks only in the active worksheet. Click Find Next. Origin will only search for the word max in text cells in that sheet. You can change Look In to All Workbooks in Active Folder and click Find Next again. This will search for max in text cells across all workbooks, one by one. Now let's try something more powerful. How do we update all these workbooks so the formulas find minimum values instead of maximum values? Enter min in the Replace with box, click Replace to make changes one at a time. Next, check the Search Only Inside Cell Formulas checkbox. Let's click Find Next first to make sure it works. Yes, now it finds max inside formulas, and it works whether the worksheet is showing formulas or calculated values. Once you've confirmed it's correct, click Replace All. Origin will replace all occurrences of max with min in all formula cells across all workbooks in the current folder. You can turn on Formula View in each sheet to verify the changes. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.